over 200,000 miles in this Envoy and more than 75,000 since the plugs were last replaced, plugs are definitely due, no question. But here's where a lot of techs split. Do you stop at the plugs, or do you also think about those coils that have been through a lot in the last 200,000 miles? The Atlas family, such as this 4200 LL8, use a coil-on-plug architecture, like many of the ICE power plants on the road today. Each ignition coil sits directly over each plug. That coil has one job: build up the voltage required to jump the gap of the plug. But as spark plugs wear, their gap increases. Parlay that with oil consumption and carbon deposits that are often accompanied with higher model engines, and that significantly drives up the demand on the ignition coils. Bigger gap means higher required firing voltage. That increases secondary resistance and forces the coil to work harder every cycle. Inside the coil, this all means higher heat, increased insulation stress, and longer saturation time. Over time, that breaks down the coil internally, even if it's not failed yet. So when you install fresh plugs in a higher mileage engine or an engine that's experienced previous plug-related ignition failure, the older coils may no longer have the reserve energy to fire consistently. Often, a common practice is replacing just the plugs or just one failed coil, but you should think holistically. The ignition system works in symphony. Ignition coils wear and break down with use, just like spark plugs do. It wasn't too long ago that spark plugs, ignition wires, cap, and rotor were all considered consumable wear items. While ignition coil boot kits are common replacement items, the ignition coils themselves are often still overlooked. On a coil-on-plug engine like this Envoy, if you're replacing the spark plugs, especially after a spark plug-related ignition failure, replacing the coils at the same time keeps everything balanced. Using a matching set like these Walker product ignition coils means consistent output across all cylinders, returning that ignition system to OE level performance and mitigating chances you will have an ignition-related comeback. Because while this platform is pretty simple to access and service the plugs and coils, that definitely cannot be said about many others. And the last thing any tech wants to do is have to go back into a labor-intensive platform for a second time to deal with a comeback. When replacing plugs on a COP engine, replacing the coils presents no additional labor. They're already out when you're replacing the plugs. Now, for coil near plug applications like GM LS and LT, the added suggestion of ignition coil replacement makes sense considering on something like a half-ton 5.3, all 8 ignition coils book out at 1.6 hours versus just one at 0.6. You're already there. Accessing the ignition components is done. Suggesting the full ignition service now saves time, avoids repeat diagnostics, and keeps your customers' vehicles running smoothly and on the road where they belong. I want to thank the folks at Walker Products for sponsoring this tech tip, and as always, thanks for watching.